This is Robot Knight from Power Rangers. Legs bend. Turn. This is supposed to make sound, but it doesn't want to make sound because the battery's not in it. This is a helicopter with a man in it. You can see this makes sounds. Arms bend and move. That's it. I have to get going. Bye.